and he was, born, as I call them, ready-made. वो जो हमारे गुरु रेडीमेड होते हैं ना, कि आते ही हैं लीला।
मेनका गांधी को न्यूरो डाइवर्सिटी फाउंडेशन द्वारा पहले न्यूरो इंक्लूसिव पॉलिटिशियन पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया। नमस्कार दोस्तों, डीडीएस न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। भारत में न्यूरो डाइवर्सिटी आंदोलन के लिए एक ऐतिहासिक क्षण में न्यूरो डाइवर्सिटी फाउंडेशन ने अपना पहला न्यूरो इंक्लूसिव पॉलिटिशियन पुरस्कार श्रीमती मेनका गांधी को प्रदान किया। यह समारोह महाराजा सूरजमल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी दिल्ली में आयोजित हुआ।
As a guru shishya with a very ordinary woman. By ordinary, there's no such thing as ordinary. But she worked in a pizza place. She was in her 40s. She was an American woman. She wasn't going anywhere. She wasn't educated. वो अपनी मासी के साथ रहती थी और and she had a picture of Guru, Swami Ram in her house. And Masi was mentally challenged and she had never ever spoken in her whole life. तो एक दिन उनकी मासी ने she looked at Swami Ram's picture and she said, I can see all three of them. So ये औरत ने कहा कि कमाल है, पहली दफा आप बोली है वो भी बकवास, एक तस्वीर है, you're not cross-eyed, how did you see three? तो मासी चुप रही. Now when Swami Ram arrived in America, she went to see him and he said that it's true, I travel with two spirit guides and they show me the way, they keep me in check, they are my spiritual advisors. Then he said something which I found very profound. He said, हम लोग जो हैं, हम लोग, if you see in every religion, if we're going to talk about religions at all, we are some level of, till you reach nothingness. After all, the word Allah means the no, the nothing. So until you reach that level of nothingness or mergence, with the universe, you go from level to level to level to level. Now he said that many of us are sitting on the 6th level or the 7th level. And we see you people on this earth. We see some people struggling between the 3rd level and the 4th level. After the 4th level it's easy. But to get from 3rd to 4th, बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम आपकी यहाँ आपकी मदद करने के लिए हम पैदा होते हैं. और कैसे पैदा होते हैं? As people who are mentally challenged, people who are blind, people who have Down syndrome, people who have cerebral palsy. We bring some life-threatening problem, not threatening to our lives, but threatening to yours, to your way of life. And then we watch how you take care of us. And if you are able to take care of us, you then move on to the next level. हमें ये बहुत ही, it made a lot of sense to me. There are so many ways, and so I was coming back from America, and I was sitting at 2 o'clock at the London Heathrow Airport, waiting to catch my plane, and the embassy had been kind enough to send me somebody to sit with me. And he started telling me, he said, I have a mentally challenged son, and all the time we were in London, हमको तो अच्छा लगा क्योंकि उसको स्कूल भेज देते थे, फिर हम लोग फ्री थे पूरे दिन. अब तो हम पोस्टिंग हो रही है हिंदुस्तान में, पता नहीं क्या करेंगे उसके साथ, हमारी तो पूरी जिंदगी चली जाएगी, मेरी बीवी को घर रहना पड़ेगा, वो तो टीचर है, वैसे भी छोड़ना पड़ेगा, चाओ ही हुए. And then I told him this story. I got such a sweet letter from him saying that you changed my life. Now I realize he is our gift, and we are the people who have been gifted with him. He's not our challenge, or he's not.
Thank you, sir. The study was done which talked about how 1% of the population is actually neurodivergent, but if we look at the kind of statistics that emerge, 11% of the population from that 1% is already battling with suicidal thoughts.
Talking to other children, they are not doing pretend play. Small children, they always do pretend play. You must have seen.
इस अवसर पर कर्नल सिंह आईपीएस पूर्व निदेशक प्रवर्तन निदेशालय, कप्तान सिंह अध्यक्ष, महाराजा सूरजमल इंस्टीट्यूट, सांची कौर इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट लीड न्यूरो डाइवर्सिटी फाउंडेशन, अर्चना बल्यान, महाराजा सूरजमल इंस्टीट्यूट, राजपाल सिंह सोलंकी, अजीत सिंह चौधरी आदि लोग मौजूद रहे.
72 पहले हम डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज चलाते थे और 1999 से हम लोगों ने पहले महाराज सूरजमल इंस्टीट्यूट स्थापित किया जिसमें BBA, BCA, B.Ed और अब उसमें MBA, B.Com और लॉ भी कोर्सेज हम लोग चला रहे हैं। 2001 में महाराज सूरजमल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी हमने स्थापित किया। उसमें 4 कोर्सेज चल रहे हैं हमारे, कंप्यूटर साइंस, IT, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और इलेक्ट्रिकल। हमारे 3 स्कूल हैं, एक बीकानेर में है, एक शामली में है और एक हरियाणा में डाबोला में। जो हमारे स्कूल्स हैं बीकानेर और शामली में वो 2008 में स्थापित हुए थे और वो उस एरिया के श्रेष्ठ स्कूलों में से अपना स्थान बना चुके हैं। और मुझे कहते हुए गर्व हो रहा है कि हमारी फैकल्टी बहुत ही कॉम्पिटेंट है और बहुत मेहनती है। और अभी डायरेक्टर साहिबा ने बताया था कि हमारी
in our institute. It's a matter of pride for all of us that the NIT award has been conferred to Honorable Srimati Menka Gandhi ji, who has
the enforcement as a symbol of our respect. Yes, sure.
Today to represent the Neurodiversity Foundation. Since our founding back in 2018, we worked across borders to bridge the gap between society and neurodivergent individuals. And just last year we had our landmark event, ND Friday 2024. The celebrations in India spanned across 3 Indian cities with thousands of Indians coming together. Today we mark another such milestone with our inaugural Neuro-Inclusive Politician Award in India. That people with autism, ADHD, dyslexia are not disordered, just differently ordered, is still such a radical concept in so
And dreams in the right direction. It is with immense pride I, Dr. Meenakshi Tomar and Dr. Shelly Malik, on behalf of the entire fraternity of Maharaja Surajmal Institute of Technology, take this privilege to welcome our eminent chief guest, Srimati Menka Gandhi ma'am, our R.P. Beniwal, Council